अल्हम्दुलिल्लाहि रब्बिल आलमीन वस्सलातु वस्सलामु अला सय्यिदिल मुरसलीन अम्मा बाद फ़अऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम अस्सलातु वस्सलामु अलैका या सय्यदी या रसूलल्लाह व अला आलिका व अस्हाबिका या सय्यदी या हबीबल्लाह सल्लु अलल हबीब सल्लल्लाहु ताला अला मुहम्मद। Dear student, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you, dear student? I hope that you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Alhamdulillah. Dear student, first of all, on the left side there is a subscribe button. Please click it, click the bell icon and select the first option so that you can get the notification of every new video. Jazakallah. Dear student, I welcome all of you in this lecture. At the end of the lecture, you are able to about computer virus, causes of computer virus, how do virus spread, type of virus, antivirus, how to protect computer from virus. Dear student, these all topic we will discuss in this lecture, inshallah azawajal. Dear student, first of all, please take your notebook and pencil. Very good. Dear student, today our first topic is virus. Dear student, do you know about virus? Any one of you? Okay. Dear student, biological virus. Biological virus affect the human health. Same as it is, the computer virus also affect our computer system. When the computer virus attack our computer system, our computer system will not work properly. It may affect the speed of the computer, it may affect the file, folder and many other applications that are present in our system, and many more. Okay, dear student, so come to our topic. What is a computer virus? Computer virus are small software that can damage to your data and software on a computer. Dear student, these viruses are very small software and computer virus are handmade software. They are created by the people, while the biological viruses are natural and the computer virus are created by people. They have some purpose, that is why they create viruses to get the information from the people. They want to steal the information of the people. We will discuss these factors in next topic. So our topic is, what is a computer virus? Computer virus are small software that can cause damage to your data and software on a computer. Dear student, computer virus will affect the file, folder and many other applications that are present in our computer system. Computer virus will affect all these file, folder and application. Is it clear, dear student? I repeat the definition once again. So dear student, please follow me. Computer viruses are small software that can cause damage to your data and software on a computer. Is it clear, dear student? MashaAllah. Now our next question is, what a computer virus do? Dear student, when computer virus attack our system, what will it do with our computer system? This is our topic. The first point is, a virus tries to take control of the computer system. A virus will control our system, computer system. Next point is, it make copy of itself of file and folder present in the computer. Dear student, as I already told that computer virus will affect the file, folder and application that are present in our system. A computer virus will affect them. So computer virus will make copy of these file and folder. Okay. The next point is, this process is spread so quickly that even the user is unaware about the presence of virus in the computer. The user who use the computer system, he is unaware when the virus attack the computer system. I repeat this topic once again. A virus tries to take control of the computer system. Next point, it may copy of itself of file and folder present in the computer. This process is spread so quickly that even the user is unaware about the presence of virus in the computer. Is it clear, dear student? MashaAllah. Next, why do people create virus? Dear student, as I already told that computer viruses are handmade. They are created by the people, and these people have some purpose. That is why they create computer virus. I repeat once again, the computer viruses are handmade. They are created by the people, and these people have some purpose. That is why they create computer virus. So what purpose these people have, we will discuss. The first point is to take control of the computer system. These people try to take control over your computer system. Next point, to steal sensitive information. For example, credit card information, password, personal data, etc. They want to steal your sensitive information. For example, credit card, password, personal detail, personal data, and many more. And last point is to disable a computer network. I repeated this topic. Why do people create virus? The first point is to take control of the computer system, to steal sensitive information, for example, credit card information, password, and personal data, etc. To disable a computer network. Is it clear, dear student? MashaAllah. Our next question is, how do virus spread? Which factor that causes the virus? We will discuss. Computer virus usually spread in the following way. The first one is from removable media, which include USB, floppy disk, etc. Next one is from download of the internet. Dear student, if you download some application from the internet, it may cause virus in your system. Last point is from email attachment. प्यार बच्चों, कभी कभार ऐसा भी होता है कि आपको कंप्यूटर इंटरनेट के थ्रू कोई ईमेल आती है, तो उसमें भी खदशा होता है कि उसके साथ भी कंप्यूटर वायरस हो सकता है। तो ये 3 वेज हैं कि किस तरह कंप्यूटर वायरस आपके सिस्टम में आ सकता है। The first one is from removable media, which include USB, floppy disk, etc. The next point is from download of the internet, and the last one is from email attachment. These all the factors that can spread virus in the computer system. Is it clear, dear student? I repeat it again. So please, dear student, follow me. Computer virus usually spread in the following way: from removable media, from download of the internet, from email attachment. Is it clear, dear student? Okay, so we move to the next topic, that is how to detect a computer virus. प्यार बच्चों, आपको किस तरह पता चलेगा कि आपके कंप्यूटर में वायरस इंटर हो चुका है? तो कुछ चीज़ें जिनसे पता चल सकता है कि आपका कंप्यूटर वायरस की वजह से अफेक्ट हो गया है। तो वो कौन से पॉइंट हैं? द फर्स्ट वन इज अनकॉमन एरर मैसेज। आपको एरर मैसेज बार बार शो होते रहेंगे, तो इससे पता चल जाता है कि कंप्यूटर वायरस की वजह से अफेक्ट हो चुका है। द सेकेंड वन इज द स्पीड ऑफ द कंप्यूटर बिकम स्लोअर। डियर स्टूडेंट, कंप्यूटर वायरस विल अफेक्ट द स्पीड ऑफ योर कंप्यूटर सिस्टम. And the last one is application won't start. When you want to open the application, sometime it may not be open because the computer virus is enter in your computer system. Is it clear? I repeat it again. How to detect a computer virus? The point number 1 is uncommon error message. Speed of computer becomes slower. And the last one is application won't start. Is it clear, dear student? Okay. Now next topic is type of computer virus. Following are the type of computer virus. The first one is worm virus. Second one is email virus. Third one is macro virus, and the last one is boot sector virus. These all are the type of computer virus. I repeat it again. Following are the type of computer virus. These are worm virus. Second one is email virus. Next, macro virus, and the last one is boot sector virus. Is it clear, dear student? These are the type of computer virus that can affect your computer system. Okay, now we will discuss about antivirus. Dear student, antivirus is used to kill the computer virus or remove the computer virus from your computer system. So we will learn a definition. Antivirus software. Antivirus is a software that protects a computer from virus attack. Dear student, this software is used to save your computer from virus. So we install antivirus software in our system so we can protect our system from viruses. So I repeat the definition once again. Antivirus is a software that protects a computer from virus attack. I repeat it again. Dear student, please follow me. Antivirus is a software that protects a computer from virus attack. Is it clear, dear student? Okay. Now our next topic is how to protect computer system against virus. So To protect a computer system against virus, we have to follow following steps. The first one is install a good antivirus software. Dear student, as I already as we learned that antivirus is used to protect a computer system from viruses. So we should install a good antivirus software in our computer system. Next, update antivirus software regularly. If we install antivirus in our computer system, we need to update antivirus software regularly. Next, always scan your USB CD before using them, because these devices may affect our computer system. So we must scan these devices before using them. I repeat this topic once again. To protect a computer system against viruses, we have to follow following steps. First one is install a good antivirus software. Next, update antivirus software regularly. Point number 3 is always scan your USB CD before using them. Is it clear, dear student? Okay. Dear student, now we will review about today's lecture. Dear student, in this lecture we study about computer virus, causes and type of computer virus, antivirus, protection of computer against virus. These are topics we discuss in this lecture. I hope that you have understood all these topics. Very simple and easy topic. Okay, dear student. There is a home assessment for you, dear student. Question number 1 is what is malware? Question number 2 is why we update virus again and again? Sorry, there is a mistake. Why we update antivirus again and again? Dear student, there is a mistake that question number 2 is why we update antivirus again and again. You must correct it. Question number 3 is how to scan our computer from viruses. Write the step. These are the questions for your assessment. I hope that you will solve them. डियर स्टूडेंट, जज़ाकल्लाह खैरा। उम्मीद करता हूँ आज का लेक्चर आपको समझ आ गया होगा। आज के लेक्चर में हमने वायरस, कंप्यूटर वायरस और कंप्यूटर एंटीवायरस सॉफ्टवेयर के हवाले से डिस्कस की है। तो बहुत ही इजी टॉपिक था। प्यारे बच्चों, इसको ज़रूर रिवाइज कीजिएगा। इस दुआ के साथ आज के लेक्चर का इख्तिताम करते हैं कि अल्लाह ताला हम सबको नेकी के काम करने की और बुराइयों से बचने की तौफीक अता फरमाए। प्यारे बच्चों, रमज़ान का महीना रवां दुआ है, तो अपनी दुआओं में अपने वालिदैन को, अपने दोस्तों को और अपने असातिज़ा को भी ज़रूर याद रखिएगा। इसी बात के साथ मैं इजाज़त चाहूँगा। अल्लाह हाफ़िज़। अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू।